Jai Hind to all. I am Dr. Saroj Kushwah, working as Assistant Professor in Akgec Garg, Ghaziabad. Today I am here to discuss about very fascinating topic or a very important topic of a data structure, that is a tree traversal. Let's start. First, we will discuss about what are the exact meaning of tree traversal. Means tree traversal refers to the process of visiting or accessing each node of a tree exactly once in a certain order. Means it is a process of visiting of a node, particularly at least one time. Next, tree traversal algorithm helps us to visit or process all the nodes of the tree, since tree is not a linear data structure. There are multiple nodes which we can visit after visiting a certain node. In a linear data structure, we traverse a node in a one order. But in non-linear data structure, that is the example of tree, we traverse the node in a different order. There are multiple tree traversal techniques which decide the order in which the node of a tree are to be visited. Now next, here we explain about the different tree traversal technique. There are two basically types of tree traversal technique. First one is a depth first search traversal, means DFS, and next one is a breadth first traversal. It is also known as a level order traversal or a BFS. The depth first traversal is also categorized into three types. First one is the pre-order traversal, second one in order traversal, and last one is the post-order traversal. I have already told about the tree traversal techniques. Depth first search. The technique of depth first search is in order, pre-order and post-order. And next one is level order traversal or a breadth first search. In order traversal. In an in order traversal, we visit the node in the order. Such first, we process the left subtree, then process the root, and after that right. This is the graph which shows the in order traversal of a binary tree. This is the root node. This one is the root node, and this is a left subtree, and this is right subtree of this tree or the root. In this order, first we process the left subtree. First we visit the leftmost node of the left subtree. First we visit the left node, means 4, then visit the root, go to the root, and after that we visit the right, means right node of this root, that is 5. After completing the left, we visit the root, that is 1. Then we go to the right subtree, Then we visit the 3 node and go to its left, then no one is the left node, then visit 3, then write here 3, then go to the right node of this node, that is 6. So this is the example of in-order traversal. Algorithm for the in-order traversal. The in-order traversal, first we begin, then traverse the left subtree, that is called in-order, means left subtree. Visit the root. First, after traversing the left subtree, I have already explained previous tree. Then visit the root and next traverse the right subtree, that is called the in-order, means right subtree. Then traversing the left subtree root, first we traverse the left subtree, then root, and after that right subtree. Then visiting all the root, we exit, means we exit the program or a algorithm. The use of in-order traversal. Where we use the in-order traversal? In the case of binary search tree, also called the BST, in-order traversal gives node in non-decreasing order. Means here the in-order traversal gives the node in. Next, to get the node of BST in non-increasing order, a variation of in-order traversal where in-order traversal is reversed can be used. In-order traversal can be used to evaluate arithmetic expression stored in expression tree. It is used for the evaluate arithmetic expression. The time complexity of the in-order is the order of n. Then how much auxiliary space is required to complete the process of in-order? If we don't consider the size of stack for the function call, then order of 1, otherwise order of h required, h is the height of the tree. Next, preorder traversal. In a preorder traversal, we visit the node in this order. First we visit the root node, then left node, and after then right node. This is the structure of tree of the for the preorder traversal. In a preorder traversal, first we visit the root of the tree, then root of the tree, right here 1, after that left node is 2, then again go to the left of this node, that is 4. First we cover the root, then left, cover the root, then go to the left, and after that we visit the right node. Then after the visit the left node, we go to the right node, that is 5. After completion the left subtree, we go to the right subtree. Cover the root and left, we go to the right. Then right one of this tree is 3, and after reaching this node, then there is no left and right. Then last one is the we visit the this node, that is the 6. The algorithm for pre-order traversal. This algorithm work as same as I discussed in the previous means this structure I have explained. The algorithm is the first we begin, then visit the root as explained previous, then traverse the left subtree, that is called preorder. After traversing the left subtree, we visit the all the nodes of the right subtree, that is called preorder. Means first, then we search the right node of the subtree. Use of preorder traversal. In a preorder traversal, it is used to create a copy of a tree. Means it is used to create a copy of tree. Preorder traversal is also used to get prefix expression on a expression tree. To get the prefix expression. Time complexity of the preorder same as the INORDER traversal, that is the big O N, and auxiliary space. If we don't consider the size of the stack for the function calls, then this is also the same as the INORDER tree traversal, where H means height of the tree. Post order traversal. Now, at the last, we explore about the post order traversal. In a post order traversal, we visit the node in this order. First, we process the left subtree, then process the right subtree in second one, and last one we process the root of the tree. This is the example. Through this example, we understand the post order traversal. Initially traverse from the root to leftmost node. Initially, we go to the root to the leftmost. This is the root node and leftmost node. 4 is the leftmost node of this tree. First, we go to the leftmost tree. This is the 4. Then right. Then this is the right node of this node, that is 5. After that, we go to the root, that is 2. After completing the left subtree, we go to the right subtree. This is the right subtree. In a right subtree, we again follow this. No one is the left and no one is the right. Then root node 3, and after the left and right, we go to the or visit the root node, that is 1. Post order means visit the root node at the last. Means in pre-order, we visit the root node first. In order, we visit the root node in mid, and in post order, we visit the root node at the last. Means tree traversal basically work on a root node. Means when we will have to visit the root node. In means first, post means last, and pre means first visit the root node. Algorithm. Algorithm work same as I have discussed through the previous structure. Means the algorithm work same as I have discussed. Means first we begin, means first we start the tree, whatever the tree I have to process, then traverse the left subtree, that is called post order. Means first begin, then traverse the left subtree, means we cover all the nodes of the left subtree, then traverse the right subtree, that is called post order, means right subtree. After that we cover all the nodes or visit all the nodes of the right subtree. After visiting the left subtree, all the nodes of the left subtree and right subtree, at last we visit the root node of the tree, then exit. At last but not least, I'll explain the use of post order traversal, where we use the post order traversal and why we use this. This is the different uses of the post order traversal. First, post order traversal is used to delete the tree. Means this is a traversal. Basically, I have to use to delete the tree. Post order traversal is also useful to get the postfix expression. Post order means post order. Post order traversal means postfix expression, to get the postfix expression. Next, post order traversal can help in garbage collection of algorithm. It is also helps in garbage collection of algorithm, particularly in a system where mutually memory management is used. It is used particularly where a manual mutual memory management is used. So, I have discussed about the tree traversal. Means, to sum up, the tree traversal means to visiting each node of a tree at least once. There is three types: INORDER, preorder, and postorder. Algorithm, preorder algorithm, to first traverse the visit the root, then left subtree and right subtree. In a post order traversal, first we visit the left subtree, then right subtree, and at last root of the tree. And in order traversal, first we visit the left subtree, then visit the root of the tree, and at last the right subtree of the tree. So thank you.